Brand new roof going in, new TPO adhered roof. Looks clean. You see here's our nightly tie-in, a good tie-in to keep the building safe and dry until the next day's worth of work. And here's an old coal tar pitch roof. The gravel's been vacuumed off, but it's the dirtiest, nasty type of roof. And when you tear that off, it makes an awful lot of dirt. So what we've selected here is a product that has a backer on it. So the finished membrane is here, and the backer is applied, and we put a tape over the seams. And what that allows is for this roof to be laid up 100%, all the dirt's done, and then when we're done with the roof, we peel off the backer, and the client has a perfectly clean, brand new roof. Technology moves on, and the roofing industry is getting better every day. So about a month ago, we were out here looking at this project. It was being replaced at the time. An old coal tar pitch built-up roof was being torn off, which is a very dirty process. And we were using a new product that has a backer film on it from the factory. The whole purpose is that when the roofing is complete, the backer film is peeled off and the roof is left perfectly clean with none of the marrings from construction. So here you see dirt and foot traffic all over. So we peel off the backer and you wind up with a perfectly clean, finished product.